Hi kids, today we're going to be reading Home is Where the Birds Sing, written by Cynthia Rylant, illustrated by Katie Harnett. Let's see what the book is all about. Home is where you come in from the rain and where you have a little nap after a bite. It is where you are welcome. Home is where someone calls you sweetie or dear or a dozen other names for love. It is where you wake up and look at pictures on the wall and where you have blankets. Home is where you freshen up or hide if you don't want to be freshened up. It is where your friends can find you. Home is where there are stories to tell and stories to hear. It is where your own story starts. Home is where the birds sing and where the moon shines on you at night. It is where you will run if you ever need to run, and where you will find the door wide open. Home is where everything waits for you. Waits for you because you are. And when you come back from anywhere, it is where you will feel at home. Because you are. And that, my friends, was the end of the story. I'll see you next time. Bye.